Hi everyone, I'm Jia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I usually make educational and study related content. Now I have been posting videos every day because your board exams are coming closer and closer, and I've posted lots for English, but this is a general video in what order should we attempt the question paper. Now what I did was in the same order in which questions were given, I answered in my paper, same order. I did not change even one thing in the order. In fact, what I did was if I was confused about an answer, I would leave space for it and move on with the next answer. And this is what I recommend as well, is to solve in the same order in which questions are given, section by section in the same order, because the answer sheet will be here and the question paper will be here, and it will be very convenient for the examiner to correct your paper. They won't get annoyed that they have to keep scrolling through different pages. So I think that's the best way to go. But if you are not comfortable with that, then I would say go section, whichever section you are the best at, go first with that section. But in that section, follow the same order of questions. Don't mess the order of questions too much. It's not going to help you very honestly. Stick to the same questions which are given. And I suggest you find out what is working out for you. How are you able to complete when you're, starting with which section you're able to complete the faster and get the highest score. How do you check it? You can check it by doing sample question papers. Of course, solve PYQs, but use sample question papers so that you can time yourselves, and it's a proper question paper, right? So sample question papers, previous year question papers. If you're looking for a book, and I'd say please buy a book right now. If you're looking for a book later, then this will be too late. I suggest the Educard ka Prayas ka book, which I have been suggesting because I have gone through it, and it has, of course, a book with a lot of sample question papers, a detailed solution book. It's there for math, social, English, and of course science. And you can also check your answers and mark it. So please do sample question papers so that you know when you're doing what, and when you're able to get your strengths, when you start from the end or from the beginning or from the middle. But I will say always start from the beginning, go in the same chronological order. All the best, work hard, you will score extremely well, and I don't want to waste more of your time. Thank you for watching.